Okay, let me post. Okay, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Homie Squad. So today I got this special package that came in, and it's supposed to be this before I open it and everything. This right here. Before I open it and everything, it's this cool engine thing. It's this cool engine thing, and it's supposed to go right when you put a flame under it or something. It's called one of them Sterling engines. So let's get it out. Come on. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, why is it so hot? Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like, just like that. Let me see if the camera can even see it. Okay, yes, the camera can see it. So move that Sterling engine a little bit out. Hope y'all can see this. And wait, what? It's supposed to come with something else. I know it's supposed to come with something else. I think something messed up with it. So let me go find the right piece. I got it. Now, it comes with its own lighter with thingy, and it gave me a lighter too. So let's go ahead and let that wick up. And I do not recommend putting this lighter fluid. It's called Ronson. Do not put in, and it just ain't good. It doesn't work. It works. It catches on fire. But I'm fixing to show you, it freaking blows up. Like, the whole Sterling engine. This whole engine turned black. Oh, cool, it's already run. That's good. Okay, cool. There, that's cool. But now we're just burning the olive oil. And it has two wheels that turn off of the same flame, so it's pretty dang cool. I really like it. Came in the mail today, and it's made in China. It has that Hong Kong words on it, stuff. But it's used. It's used. I think it didn't run like one time already, and I put some fresh oil on it, so it'll run perfectly. And I really like this engine. It's cool. So yeah. And my wick that I used, when I used that Ronson stuff, it just burnt my wick all up. So I'm just using part of an old t-shirt for my wick. So yeah, I really like it. It's a strong engine. See, if you can even put your finger on it, like it's kind of dropping my finger. You know, you can even stop it. Yeah. Push it backwards. Barely even have to do that. There it starts. Like, it's very easy to start. See, look, I'll just stop it like that. Barely even push it. Boom. Done. It's a cool engine. Really like it. Let me try picking it. Oh my gosh, it's like vibrating so much. Oh my gosh, look how much it's vibrating. Woo! It seems to run faster on the ground. Oh my god. Dang, that is vibrating a lot. Holy crap. I'm about to end the video here. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. If you want the Sterling engine, it's called a Sonytech Sterling engine. You take the sticker off. Hey, subscribe. Well, Sonytech sponsor me. If you want one, just go on Amazon and just type in Sonytech hot air Sterling engine if you want one. So if you want one, just type that in right there. So I'll give you the link in the description below. So just look down there after the video, and see you later. Let me blow up this fan. smoky. It smells like a fresh steak because I put because I put olive oil in there. So hope you enjoyed the video. Can you smell that? Smell that. Smell that smoke. Dang, son, it's freaking. Oh my gosh, let's open the door. Oh shoot. Coughing up a storm. So bye, subscribe, leave a like. Give this video 10 likes and I'll do another steam engine or a Stirling engine or any other video. Just give me another video to do. Now, bye, homies. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, you know it's bye.